Welcome to my channel. What if you could learn more than 50 useful English phrases without feeling tired, confused, or afraid? These are not difficult phrases from a grammar book. These are simple phrases that real people use every day. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you will know what to say when you meet someone, ask for help, share an opinion, make a request, and continue a conversation. You do not need perfect English. You only need the right phrases and the courage to use them. Chapter 1. Learn the phrases you need every day. You want to speak English. You want to answer people without fear. You want the right words to come into your mind at the right time. But sometimes your mind becomes empty. You know some words, yet you cannot make a full sentence. It can make you believe that English is too hard. But listen carefully. You do not need thousands of words to start speaking. You need useful phrases. A phrase is a small group of words that works like one strong tool. When you learn the full phrase, you do not need to build every sentence from zero. You can speak faster. You can finally open your mouth and use English. Many learners study single words for months. They learn words like help, understand, price, time, and problem. These words are useful, but they are not enough. In a real conversation, you need complete phrases. Instead of learning only help, learn, can you help me? Instead of learning only understand, learn, I do not understand. Instead of learning only price, learn, how much does it cost? Now you have something ready to use. Stop collecting lonely words. Start collecting powerful phrases. Every phrase you learn gives you one more way to speak. Let us begin with greetings today. Say, hello, how are you? Say, nice to meet you. Say, how is your day going? Say, where are you from? Say, what do you do? Say, it is good to see you. Say, have a nice day. These phrases are simple but very important. They help you start a conversation. They make you sound friendly. They give the other person a chance to speak. Do not worry about saying everything perfectly. Speak slowly. Smile. Use one phrase. That is enough to begin. Now learn phrases for help and questions. Say, can you help me? Say, could you say that again? Say, can you speak slowly? Say, what does this mean? Say, how do you say this in English? Say, where can I find this? Say, what time does it start? Say, how much does it cost? These phrases can save you in many situations. You can use them in a shop, at school, at work, at an airport, or on the street. Never feel ashamed to ask. Asking is not weakness. Asking is how strong learners grow. A person who asks learns faster than a person who stays silent. Now let us make your conversations longer. You do not need long answers. Short phrases can keep everything moving. Say, I understand. Say, I do not understand. Say, that makes sense. Say, I am not sure. Say, let me think. Say, that sounds good. Say, really? Say, of course. Say, no problem. Say, I agree with you. These phrases give you time. They show that you are listening. They help you respond even when your English is small. This is important. You do not need to know everything. You only need to stay in the conversation. You have already learned many useful phrases. That is real progress. But do not only read them. Use a simple 4-step method. First, listen to the phrase. Second, Repeat it aloud. Third, imagine a real situation. Fourth, use it in your own sentence. For example, here, can you help me? Repeat it 3 times. Imagine that you are in a store. Then say, can you help me find this book? This method trains your mouth, ears, and mind together. Practice 5 phrases every day. Do not rush. Small daily practice is stronger than one long day of study. Remember this. Your English will not change because you keep waiting. It will change because you keep using it. You may speak slowly today. That is fine. You may make mistakes. That is fine too. Every brave sentence is a victory. Every phrase is a new key. Keep these keys with you. Use them at home. Use them with friends. Use them while speaking alone. In the next chapter, you will learn more phrases for opinions, requests, problems, plans, and natural conversations. Stay with me. Your confidence is growing, and your English voice is becoming stronger. Chapter 2. Use the phrases and start speaking naturally. You have already taken an important step. You have learned useful phrases for greetings, questions, help, and simple replies. Now it is time to go further. This chapter will help you speak in more real situations. You will learn how to share your ideas, ask politely, solve problems, and talk about plans. Do not tell yourself that you are not ready. You are more ready than you think. You do not need perfect grammar before you speak. You need courage, practice, and a few strong phrases that you can use again and again. Let us begin with opinions. In daily life, people often ask, "What do you think?" You can answer with short phrases. Say, "I think so." Say, "I do not think so." Say, "In my opinion." Say, "That is a good idea." Say, "I like that idea." Say, "I agree with you." Say, "I see your point." Say, "Maybe you are right." These phrases help you join a conversation. They show that your thoughts matter. Never believe that your English must be advanced before you share an idea. A simple idea spoken clearly is more powerful than a perfect idea kept silent. Now learn phrases for polite requests. Say, "Could you help me?" Say, "Can I ask you something?" Say, "Please give me a moment." Say, "Would you like to join me?" Say, "Can I use this?" Say, "May I come in?" Say, "Could you show me?" Say, "Please let me know." These phrases make your English sound kind and respectful. You can use them with a teacher, a friend, a customer, or a stranger. Good English is not only about correct words. It is also about the way you make people feel. When you speak politely, people feel comfortable, and your conversation becomes easier. Life is not always easy, so you also need phrases for problems. Say, "I have a problem." Say, "Something is wrong." Say, "I need more time." Say, "I cannot find it." Say, "I made a mistake." Say, "I am sorry." Say, "It is not working." Say, "What should I do?" Say, "Can we try again?" These phrases can help you stay calm when something goes wrong. Do not run from mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Every strong speaker once said the wrong word. Every confident learner once felt afraid. The difference is simple. They continued. Now let us talk about plans and daily life. Say, "I am ready." Say, "I am on my way." Say, "See you soon." Say, "I will call you later." Say, "Let us do it." Say, "I am looking forward to it." Say, "Take your time." Say, "Do not worry." Say, Everything will be fine. Say, that made me happy. These phrases help you sound natural. You can use them at home, at work, on the phone, or with friends. Learn them as complete units. Repeat them until they feel easy. Then use them before your fear has time to stop you. You now know more than 50 useful English phrases, but knowing is not enough. You must use them. Take a 7-day challenge. On day 1, listen to all the phrases. On day 2, repeat them aloud. On day 3, write 10 phrases. On day 4, speak 5 phrases while looking in a mirror. On day 5, record your voice. On day 6, use the phrases in a short conversation. On day 7, test yourself without looking. This simple challenge can change the way you speak. Small actions create strong habits. Strong habits create confidence. Do not wait for the perfect day. Start today. Choose 5 phrases and use them before you sleep. Tomorrow, choose 5 more. Your progress may look small, but small progress grows. One day you will answer without fear. One day you will speak without translating every word. That day begins with the phrase you practice now. Believe in your voice. Keep speaking. Keep learning. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and write your 5 favorite phrases in the comments. Share this lesson with another learner. Your English journey is moving forward, and you are stronger than you were yesterday.